So when you create a storage, it has to be either statically provisioned or dynamic provisioning. So what exactly is a static provisioning? So for example, your storage admin, that person creates a persistent volume, and as a user, as a application developer, Kubernetes administrator, operator, DevOps engineer, like you can name any persona who's a user of the application, that person can create a persistent volume claim, and then the persistent volume claim will be bound to the persistent volume, and then later it can be utilized in the pod or your workload, right? So that's the static provisioning, in which you as a storage admin are pre-provisioning your persistent volume. Now we have dynamic provisioning as well, in which we don't have to create the persistent volume. You create the persistent volume claim, give the storage class reference in the persistent volume claim, and then once the user requests a persistent volume claim, a PV will be created and it will be bounded to the PVC. There are several use cases of why we use it, because let's say the storage requirement differs from workload to workload, right? Some workload require, let's say, a high performance persistent disk. Some workload required an HSD for the cost effective method. Some storage required a balanced persistent disk, and so on.